Do you think investing is something for adults? That you need to finish school, get a stable job, and earn a lot before even thinking about it? What if I told you that the earlier you start, the less money you actually need to achieve financial freedom? This video is for you. If you're between 16 and 22 years old, just starting out in life, and still thinking, investing isn't for me yet. Here, you're going to see real numbers that prove time is your biggest asset when it comes to money. And at the end of this video, I'll show you a simple, beginner-friendly plan you can apply today, even if all you've got is 10 bucks. Maybe right now you're studying, getting an allowance, working a side job, or earning a small internship paycheck. Money is tight, the questions are endless, and everything you earn seems to disappear. And still, deep down, you know you need to do something different. The problem is, nobody taught you how. They didn't cover investing in school. And most people your age just hear, enjoy life now, worry about that stuff later. But that later could cost you dearly, because the time you waste now is the money you'll wish you had in the future. João, for example, started saving $50 a month when he was 18. He didn't make much, but he was consistent. And that changed everything. Investing isn't about being older. It's about having vision. And no one ever told you that if you start early, even with very little, you can outperform people who start late and invest more. Sounds crazy? Let me show you. Imagine two people. The first one starts investing $50 a month at age 18 and stops at 28, just 10 years. The second only starts at 28, but invests $100 a month until they turn 60. Guess who ends up with more money? The answer will shock you. The one who started younger and for less time finishes richer. Why? Because of compound interest, the magic of money that earns money. Compound interest works like this. The money you invest today earns returns. Then next month, your returns also start earning returns. It builds on itself, like a snowball rolling downhill. The longer it rolls, the bigger it gets. The secret isn't how much you invest, but how early you begin. And right now, time is what you have most. Starting at 18 is like planting a tree. Today that will give you fruit at 30, shade at 40, and full freedom at 50. If you start later, you can still plant it, but it won't grow as much or as strong. And if you're thinking, but I'm a student, or I don't have any extra money, or I don't even know where to start, relax. The idea is to start with what you have, however you can. Let's lay out a simple plan you can use right now. Step 1. Figure out how much you earn, even if it's just allowance, side gigs, or small jobs. Step 2. Pick a fixed amount you can set aside, even if it's just $10 or $20 a month. Step 3. Open an account on a simple, secure investment platform. There are many designed for beginners. Step 4. Automate it. Set it up so the money gets invested every month without you needing to think about it. That's how you beat the temptation to spend and build the habit instead. Sure, doubts will come. You'll think, what if I lose it? Or what if I forget? Or isn't it too little to matter? And here's the answer to all of that. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. Even if you mess up, the mistakes cost less now. Starting at 18 gives you room to learn, adjust, and grow. Starting at 30 doesn't. You don't need to know everything. You don't need to get it all right. You just need to take action and keep repeating it every month, because a little, done consistently, becomes a lot. And money built slowly lasts longer. In the beginning, it might feel like nothing's happening. You'll check your account and only see a few extra dollars. But that's how growth works. It's silent at first, but one day, it explodes. João saw it. At 18, he started with $50 a month. By 28, he had a little over $8,000. But by 38, he was past $25,000. And at 48, more than $65,000. And he never even raised his contribution, just time. Time did the heavy lifting. While his friends were just starting to invest at 30, he was already reaping the rewards of his early choices. That's the advantage of seeing the future before everyone else does. So now ask yourself, where do you want to be 10 years from now? Do you want to be chasing time or enjoying the freedom you built over years of discipline? What you decide today will shape your tomorrow. And the best part? You don't have to be a financial genius to start. You just need the courage to be different. Because those who start early, finish early. While others are still catching up, you'll already be living your freedom. That's the difference between repeating the cycle and breaking free from it. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment. At what age are you going to start investing? Or better, have you already started? Write it down. Let that be your commitment to your future. And share this video with a friend who's still saying, "I'll think about it later." Because this is your moment. Today could be the day that changes your financial life. And if you apply what you learned here, one day you'll look back at this exact moment and thank yourself. Because when you understand the power of time, time starts working for you. And after that, nothing can stop you.